Hey friends, so in our story here, our character Kiko says that sometimes she has problems. And when she has problems, she can grow her happiness still by working through problems and looking for solutions. So here's our writing prompt. It says, Kiko says, when I have problems, I try my best to fix them. She gave lots of ways to, I'm going to change this to fix them. Write me sentences telling me how Kiko works through problems. So let's look at some of our examples, and we will record them. So our examples are taking time to reflect and relax. So I'm going to go ahead and write some of these ideas. She said reflect, relax, sometimes drawing a picture. She also says pay attention to my feelings and think before acting. So she said draw a picture. She said think before acting. And she said pay attention to feelings. So these are just some of the ideas Kiko said of what she does to make herself feel better. So you're going to start your sentence with Kiko fixes her problems by period. And there's lots of options for you here to choose. I want you to write me 3 sentences. So you'll say, Kiko fixes her problems by, and then you'll start another sentence, but it's the same prompt. So Kiko fixes her problems by, and then you write it again. Kiko fixes her problems by. So 1 and 2, and you'll write it a 3rd time. If you need help or if you need to pause here, then you need to pause on the video so that you can go ahead and copy these down. So go get your workbook here. I want you to go to the page where you did your words and turn the page and write this on the back. You don't have to write all these ideas. You don't write that. You just start with your sentence. And then you can fill in some of your blanks with these ideas. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can use this page to help you write.